This particular section that we're looking at right now was reinstated with Easy Street, and there's distinct differences we're going to point out here that between this section and the adjacent section. It's most noticed in the lateral joints. So whereas we saw a lot of potholing out next to this with intrusion of water, the way Easy Street's designed, it's designed to be a structural hot asphalt equivalent in this application. So we've got a much cleaner, a much tighter looking joint section here, and more particularly compared to the sandy coal mix that's adjacent here, this mix is designed in a more uniform way. So this is a section that has been replaced with Easy Street. It's been topped off with Easy Street and in lieu of conventional cold asphalt. Now what we're going to see here is, as we proceed down the project over the next several weeks, and we're going to get rainfall, intermittent rainfall, we're going to get a lot of traffic on this, but the benefit is, unlike where they use conventional cold asphalt, these lateral joints, these seams, are the main entrance point for moisture, which is going to cause most of your damage and your potholing out on these utility cuts that we often see. So even though this is a temporary repair, and they're going to have to come over this, they're going to have to mill this out or part of it out, and then pave with hot asphalt in the interim. That 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, even 3 weeks could become 6 week period of time where traveling public and rain are going to continue to damage this utility cut until they can get in and pave. The fact that they used Easy Street is going to greatly reduce the amount of potholing out. That's going to decrease the amount of time that these guys have to spend coming back to the project when they get complaints from the traveling public. Labor, equipment, overhead. Labor, equipment, overhead. Those are your big killers of the project costs. So obviously, when it's close to home, it means more, right?
Absolutely.
And this project's only about a mile away from both of our houses.
Yeah,
so we can
live right around the block.
We can pop out here every day and check on the progress.
Yeah, beautiful application.
Work they started on a few weeks ago, a lot of that's potholing out. It's not their problem, but now it becomes a problem of the city and the traveling public. So of course the contractor would love to just come in and use Easy Street and not have to come back and pave. That would save a lot of time, a lot of money, equipment, labor, overhead. So in conjunction with the local licensee, we're working to see if we can continue to educate the stakeholders and the benefits of Easy Street, even though it's a temporary repair until they can get in here and put hot asphalt in.
Yep.
Okay.